The White House spokeswoman has said that U.S. President hosted Pakistan Army Chief for lunch at the White House, as the Pakistan Army Chief pitched Donald Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize, saying that Trump prevented a nuclear war between India and Pakistan last month. U.S. President Donald Trump has promised Pakistan unprecedented access to American defense technology in exchange for full military and strategic support against Iran. Boeing has said that it has received some early interest from countries for C-17 Globemaster-III, and Boeing is considering to restart the production line of C-17. Mahindra Aerostructures Private Limited has signed a multi-year contract valued at $300 million with Spain's Aernnova Aerospace to manufacture metal sub-assemblies and components for a range of Airbus aircraft and also for Embraer family aircraft, including Embraer C-390 Millennium transport aircraft. Indian Navy has commissioned first anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft INS Arnala. After its recent success by destroying over 500 Turkish swarm drones launched by Pakistan last month, the Indian Army has deployed a 4-kilowatt direct energy weapon system along the line of control as part of its counter-UAV grid. Dassault Aviation has partnered with Reliance Aerostructure Limited to manufacture Falcon 2000 business jets in India, and the first made-in-India jet is scheduled to take flight by 2028. The Aeronautical Development Agency has issued an expression of interest for the development of AMCA prototype, inviting Indian companies to participate in a project to develop and build prototypes, support flight testing and certify an indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet. Latest reports indicate that Pakistan will start receiving 40 Chinese J-35 stealth fighters from 2026. And not from August 2025 as claimed previously by Pakistani government. The Aeronautical Development Establishment has embarked on an ambitious project to design and fabricate an experimental canister-launched unmanned aerial vehicle that will feature advanced wing and fin deployment mechanisms. The Indian Air Force is set to enhance its strategic capabilities with the planned acquisition of the new Spice-250 ultimate standoff air-to-surface weapon system that boasts a range of more than 300 kilometers, allowing Indian fighter jets to launch long-range standoff weapon strikes on Pakistani air bases and command centers, while remaining outside the effective range of Pakistan's PL-15 and upcoming PL-17 missile. Italian defense firm Leonardo has offered its AW109 Tracker M light utility helicopter to India, capitalizing on the stalled $1 billion deal for 200 Russian Kamov 226 helicopters. Bharat Forge is in talks with Windracers to offer Windracers Ultra Mark II UAV to the Indian Navy that can handle heavy cargo loads even in the harshest weather and sub-zero temperatures. The Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers delegation met with the CEO of Eurofighter Typhoon during the Paris Air Show 2025, and they discussed the potential role of the Eurofighter Typhoon in meeting India's strategic requirements, and Eurofighter has expressed willingness to work with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or Indian private players. The DRDO has confirmed that the Dhvani hypersonic glide vehicle is on track for its first test, and it will be fully ready for induction by 2029. Although DRDO has not officially disclosed its exact specifications, it is expected to have an intercontinental ballistic missile class range of up to 10,000 kilometers. While initial production batch of 40 AMCA Mark I fighter jets is already planned, the Indian Air Force is contemplating an additional order of 20 AMCA Mark I fighter jets to ensure continuity in production lines, as the transition from AMCA Mark I to the more advanced Mark II variant for 100 units could leave the production line idle for approximately 12 to 18 months. That could disrupt production momentum and supply chains. Today's top 3 comments.